little video of trying to embed a Google Doc on your web page. So when you want to embed it, you can go into, as we did before with the presentation, you go in, but in this case, we're going to go into share and say publish to the web. And then it's going to ask us, do you want to link to it or do you want to embed it? We're going to see what it looks like when we embed it. So this is the embed code we get, and I'm starting to recognize some of this. The iframe is the code that we use. So we'll just highlight that and take that over to a Blogger page that we've created. So I've created this one here. I'll just open this up and then I'll just click the link here and I'll add that frame to a page. Let's see. Let's go HTML demo. Okay, and let's update this page and see what it looks like for one thing. So if I preview it, here's what it looks like. So here's the document, and it's in here. It's all in here, but it's pretty small. And it'd be very awkward to try and read that if you're trying to read it. So what we need to do is go and change that code somehow. But we don't really have any codes. And I don't really want to write any code, but so I'm going to go to a place called W3 Schools, fabulous resource. And they have all sorts of tutorials for all sorts of coding languages, basically. And I'm starting on this one, HTML, and I just went down. I want an iframe. I know that much. So I know I want an iframe, different iframe. So I'm going to just keep scrolling down on here until I find an iframe that lets me set the height and width. Okay, that's this one. I'm going to go copy that, and I'm going to go back over to my page here, and I'll find another spot for it. So right now you can see that it's going to point this to a page called Demo iframe, which doesn't mean anything. So I'm going to have to go back here and get the link to this page. So in this case, that's this piece. And I'm going to go back here now, back to my page where I've edited this in here. And inside the quotation marks, I'm going to put the link to my Google document. So now you see inside the iframe quotation marks, that document is listed as the target for this iframe. Okay, I'm going to try it again now, see what happens when I update this. And preview it. So now you see I've got two different styles of this. But this is probably, I still want to adjust this a little bit so I can adjust the sizes now. So this one has a mechanism by which I can change the width and height. So I want to make it, I'm going to do my standard 1,000 by 800, let's say. Just to try and keep it proportional. And what else do I need to do? I'm going to put it down a couple of steps too, just to see what it looks okay now. If I update now and preview it, now you can see that that page is posted here, embedded in a way that